What is up, A Squad? It's your girl Amani here with another video. And guys, today I know I posted 2 videos and they're really boring, but at least they were edited. This video is not gonna be edited, so sorry. But today I'm making a slime. So really, the stuff I'm using. Oh, y'all seen it? The stuff I'm using to make this slime, I'm making fluffy slime. If y'all hear that, sorry guys. But so I have some clear glue. I made clear slime before, but not with clear glue. I didn't even make it with glue. I made it with something else. So Elmer's clear glue. Since we're making fluffy slime, I'm using foam hairspray. Then we are using Tide detergent, a container. I'm using blue glitter, Ziploc bag, and a spoon to mix. Now let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna pour in my glue, and I'm pouring it all in. I'm pouring all of it in. Okay. So when I'm done pouring my glue in, I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I have the clear glue in. Let me fix the camera. Alrighty, now we're going to pour in our foam stuff. Okay. This is really foam styling spray, so it's going to work just like shaving cream. It's just shaving cream is more fluffier. Okay. Alrighty guys, it smells really good. Alrighty guys. So now I put in my styling foam. Let me just do this and put in some more. Alrighty guys, so now we are done with our styling. Now I'm going to put in my blue glitter. And all this stuff you could buy from Michael's, except for this. You buy this from a beauty supply. Okay. All this glitter in here. Guys, this glitter is so pretty. Now I'm going to mix all this stuff in. And after I mix all this in, I'm going to come back to you guys. And when you mix it in, make sure everything is really like done and situated. Because at the bottom, it could still be clear glue at the bottom. So I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alrighty guys, so I have made the slime. I just put the detergent in there and it is slime now. I'm just going to play with it a little bit because it is really sticky. But I am going to start. So bye guys.